So if anyone has any questions before we start the class, कोई questions आपके?
Vasudha ji. Vasudha ji, am I audible to you? Vasudha ji.
Vasudha ji is saying yes in the chat.
But she is muted. Okay, that's nice.
She has a bad throat.
Okay, no problem. So Neil ji, you start the class with the prayer today.
Okay, this is going to be hard for me to read, but I'll try.
No, you can make it very, very easy.
Om Namame Tvam Sharada Devi Mahabhagi Bhagwati Kashmir Purvasini Vidha Dayani I don't know that letter.
Raksh. Yeah.
Raksh Mam Namame Vam
Lalwa, Kashmiri. You can read it in Devanagari? No, not that much. Let's give Vasudha ji the chance. To primera Lalwa. Vasudha ji, can you read this?
Oh, I think her throat is bad.
Oh, sorry. You told me that. Tushar. Tushar, are you there?
Yes, I am here.
Tushar ji, when you married, Lalwak periote.
Ami pan sodras navich haslaman kati boz day myon meti diitar amyan takyan puin zan shaman zuv chum brahman gar gatha.
Very good. Excellent.
Wow.
Sadras. Sadurasna. Sadras. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Chalo, God bless you. So this issue is almost violated. So we'll proceed to the revision. Okay. So now how many we have today to answer?
As lesson 12, Parun, I think.
Okay. Sorry. I got the lesson 11, is it? Okay, just give me a minute. Give me a minute. I think I have downloaded the wrong one. Give me half a second. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute.
What is it saying?
Bon.
I don't know. Maybe we use both.
Awesome.
Rogan is like a cooking. Rogan is like a cooking vessel.
ये तमसन पे डाउनलोड कर तो तम कुछ वही ऐसे पतिम सो राइम कुछ पोज ना है तो तम
While he's downloading, he can do the writing.
Okay.
Very much.
Kotoi,
हाँ
kotoi gatsat giliye, beri beri kha, kehe karni giliye, hulan dini pa. Kotoi chihe giliye, ak ta pansa, akha dete giliye, haram habi khan.
very good. How about the princess saying the same thing?
Can you do the same thing? Go ahead.
Katoi
Gatsak.
Gatska के लिए very very का केहे करने के लिए तुलन जिनी पा
Okay.
Kotoi.
कोचोई जिए के लिए अक तो पंसा अका जीते के लिए हराम हबीस का
Very good, very good. That's like a good girl. अभी तो आज तो मतलब वक्त सुन के वारिया चमत्कार आम करना वक्त के वारिया चमत्कार करना
Understand?
you understood me?
No.
The dog brought a lot of.
He is doing the magic. She is so happy to have him. तो इसीलिए इसको अभी आवाज भी बुलंद हो रही है सब कुछ हो रहा है good
The dog.
nice I'm happy
I'm positive.
okay
I have one.
you can see it properly
Yes.
Yes.
okay thank you Shruti ji for pointing out कि पद्मी lesson दे पा रहे हैं चलो thank you चलो we'll start.
Kuldip G froze.
Is that how?
Oh, he fell off. He fell off.
Maybe it just says he's accessing.
No, he's off.
Yeah, but
He's back.
I think my laptop is hanging once in a while. I don't know what is happening, so I will log into it through my phone also. So whenever there is a problem, I will speak from there. Okay, am I audible now?
Yes.
Okay, I will have to share screen again.
No, we should put up on the
Okay.
TV.
गई त्रेता गई चोर बे कुछ तुषार के 5 and वसुधा चीज चुनो थोड़ा ठीक तो चलो इसके 5 so others will listen.
I can try. I did
Oh,
my homework.
okay.
I can try.
No problem. That's perfectly all right. Chalo, Shruti ji, you start with this first one. Chalo, first two.
Okay. Hand Ashwanan At. Little finger kiss.
Kiss.
louder.
Ath.
Ath. Okay.
Little finger.
Little
Kiss.
finger kiss.
Okay. Vasudha ji. No. Bas. Palm. Vasudha ji.
Month at.
Very good.
Nar
Very good. Excellent. चलो तुषार. Next two.
Shoulder hyok and leg is dung.
Zang. Very good. Okay. Neilji.
Knee is caught.
Coat. Coat. Not
Coat.
caught.
Oh,
No.
Coat.
Coat. Coat.
coat. Coat.
Coat.
Coat. A coat.
No,
Sorry.
coat, not coat. Okay. Next.
Coat. And heel is kur.
Khur.
Kur.
Khur. Khur.
Kur.
Seema ji.
I would. Yeah. Good. Elbow.
Elbow. Elbow go. Konobat.
Very good. Very good.
The veins. Nerve.
Very good. Very good. Princess, can you tell us this one is the toughest one. Part of back between shoulders and armpit. These two are yours.
Mutual.
Machul. Armpit. Armpit also. Don't look at your dad. Don't look at your dad. Look at, you can look at the screen and you start telling me. Bolo beta. When don't worry.
Cuts.
Cuts. Right. Don't worry. Galati kaisi tension kar raha hai? You must speak out. Don't worry. Okay. Chalo, Shruti ji.
Amara.
Let's get into the relations part.
Okay. Brother's daughter. Bavz.
Sister's daughter.
Sister's daughter Byanz.
Okay. One more.
Husband's brother's wife Durkakin.
Durkakin. Very good. Chalo, Tushar. Next two.
Husband's brother's son, Dyarthar.
Okay, very good. Tough one. Good one. Next.
Husband's daughter is Dyarz.
Dyaraz.
Dyaraz.
Dyaraz. Very good. Perfect. Seema ji. Goldsmith.
Stoner.
Okay. Messenger.
Cursid.
Kursid. Very good. Neil ji.
Plumber. Nalkawol.
Shepherd.
Shepherd. Gaberoch or Pohol.
Oh, fantastic. Okay, Seema ji.
Tanner.
Goons.
Tanner. I'm cheating because I don't remember. Mother Goon. Goons.
I can hear Neil ji prompting you. Okay, don't worry. The mics are very sensitive actually.
What is it?
It's what
Guns,
tan-
guns.
Leather tanner.
Oh, leather tanner. Chalo.
Yeah. Okay.
Goons.
Okay. Timber
The
merchant.
timber merchant gov. Menzer.
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 Trader. Bolo princess.
Hana.
Trader.
Ara.
Trader. Dandur. नहीं दांदूर गाँव ने ट्रेडर वेजिटेबल वेंडर को दांदूर ट्रेडर क्या गाँव
Papai.
हाँ
Louder. Say it right.
Papai.
बापर को ट्रेडर बराबर છે श्रुति जी बराबर છે
Amara.
चलो ठीक है वेजिटेबल वेंडर क्या गाँव
तुझे मैं पूछा
हाँ वहीं चुप योस ना मिस वो confirm करियो आइकलेट बे
Okay.
vegetable man.
Vendor should dandur.
Very good, very good. Why when तो पानी waterman
Waterman.
तो तू cheating करा वहीं तो
With the chess
चलो चलो कैंशन पर है कैंशन पर है विचित्र अगर याद रहे तो तुझे क्या परवाह हम सिर्फ practice it's for practice session on don't worry.
Panyur.
Waterman panyur
You come behind
water
that.
is pony
मैं उस
waterman
नल
is
को-
panyur
मैं
नल को
उस-
बोल को plumber
Plum- yeah.
weaver go
Over.
wover woodcutter go
Woodcutter go tabardar.
tabardar very good.
I have a
Tushar.
question about I have a question about trader.
Yeah.
Trader, is that like, could you say that for like, you know, like a stock trader or a financial trader? Could you say that also?
It
you
is
say broker?
anybody who does anything for commission.
Anything, okay, so a broker, anything like that is a bop.
Yeah. Baper actually is a businessman, to tell you frankly. So that is why I was again and again asking. So I will leave it there. I want you to ponder over it. I will not.
I have one.
Baper is businessman.
Kuldip ji, I have one idea. Like I think Bapari sounds like Vyapari, which is the Hindi word for.
That's right.
Okay.
I didn't know that word either.
Okay.
Okay. Now
That's
Tushar.
I'm going to remember it now. Okay.
Tushar.
हाँ जी
House.
हाउस मकान
Okay. Room.
कमर
Tumbler.
गड़व
Tumbler का नहीं करना. Tumbler क्या
Okay.
है?
Glass.
Glass. All right. Glass.
गिलास
Vasudha ji. Next 5 for you. When you want
Guard.
picture.
Guard. I don't remember.
Again. Come again.
Grat.
Gadavu.
Gadu.
Okay. Hook.
Can't.
Can't. Handmill. Handmill.
Pot I know. Barn.
Pot you tell. Okay, you tell pot.
Barn.
Pot go
Barn.
barn. Tushar, tell me what is handmill.
ग्रट
Grat. Very good. चलो कोई बात नहीं. So together
What-
we do. हाँ बोलिए.
One more question. Why is, tumbler, gilasa, and glass is shisha? Shouldn't it be the other way? Like, shouldn't glass be galasa?
No. Glass is basically the material glass, and tumbler is the vessel, the glass itself in which you drink water. Okay. Glass is basically the material glass which shatters if you break it. Okay. And this glass is, it can be steel also, it can be anything, but it's a tumbler.
Oh, so even a steel,
glass
like
is
a-
tumbler. Yeah, it's a tumbler.
Got it,
If it is
got it.
glass, it is still a tumbler. Okay. So,
okay.
okay. Let's now let us start with you only. The counting part. First 3, 9 will be in your group. Okay.
Okay. Shatava, Satava, Attava.
Nana. Again.
Attava.
Atovu. Satovu.
Yeah, Shatava. I did this wrong on the homework too. Shatava, Satova, Attava.
Very good. Seema ji.
Kuntra, Tra, Akatra.
Next.
Uh-huh.
Anna Gold.
Doitra, Tayatra,
Very good. TS is what?
Soitra,
Soitra. Yes, Soitra. Very good. Vasudha ji.
Panstra shades 36 shades sorry Satrita
Satatra. Okay, very good. Tushar.
38 से करना है ना?
हाँ.
अर्त्र 39 कुंतजी 40 चतजी.
Shruti ji.
41 Akhtarji, 42 Doitarji, 43 Treitarji.
Traitarji na Teitarji.
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 Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. 44 Soitarji,
Hmm.
45 Panstarji,
Panstarji. Very good.
46 Shaitarji,
Hmm.
47 Sattarji, 48 Artarji.
Arthaji. Arthaji na Arthaji.
Artarji. Okay.
Hmm.
Ra.
Then
49 Kunvanza
Kunvanza. Correct.
and 50 Pansa.
Very good. So I think we are through with the revision. So let us start the grammar lesson for this class, lesson 12. Word, masculine and feminine. The toughest one to pronounce. Horse, gur. Now remember one thing, in Devanagari they are spelled the same way, but their pronunciation is slightly different. Okay. देवनागरी में इनको लिखते एक ही तरीके से हैं, लेकिन बोलने का लहजा थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. हॉर्स गुर. र means with a u at the bottom, at the end. Gur. Okay. And when it is the female horse, it is gur. Gur. It is not o, it is gur. In the first one it is gur.
Gur?
O. In the feminine part it is gur. Gur.
One more time. I didn't hear the difference.
I will repeat it 2-3 times. I know it's not easy.
Yeah.
This is
Only remember the first one. Usam Godnikchu, Takchu, and Chu, O. Gur.
Good.
O. Gur. But this is a female Chu, Achu, Gur. Okay? Very faint sound. Gur.
I think in Roman I can see the difference. The
Yeah,
superscript
Roman you can, but
has-
still, that's what I'm saying, it is very tough. It is not like that. It has been specially made for you like that, so that you understand it. Otherwise, it should oneness mutual hedge. Again, I will repeat. Gur, that is O at the bottom, at the end, matlab that type of sound, very fine. Gur, not gurun, no. Gur. And the second one is with a gur. You can make the difference. Gur. 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 We'll practice this again. We'll practice this again. Don't worry.
In practice, in real life, do people make that distinction in common speaking, or they just say it?
When you know the person, tell this is a verification test for a Kashmiri knowing whether you can understand gur and gur. Okay.
I'm going to test someone.
Misalnya tu tadi fikri ki isu banan barabar, matlab isu koshur tagane mis. Not just koshur tagan. So this is how it is. So this is a pass and fail. This is a pass and fail test for a Kashmiri learner. So you must underline this. Okay. Chalo, tortoise, krum. Tortoise, krum. Krimin. 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 Krum. Krimin. Dog, moon. Hoon. Hoon. Lion, seeming. Okay. Ox, dan. Cow, gav. ox, dan, cow, gav, buffalo, moosh, female, mush, mush, cat, bror, female cat, brr, rat, gagur, 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 crow, cow, curving, curving, sheep, cut, female, gub, pigeon, kotur, female, kotur. This is more like that gur wala hisab kitab. Kotur, okay? Kotur, kotur. Sparrow, contour, sir. Contour, sir. Generally, because we cannot make a distinction between male and female when you see the birds flying. Generally, contour, unless you very clearly know, contour. Otherwise, baker, kandur, kandring, kandring, kuli, muzur, muzrain, muzrain, farmer, groose, grease by, milkman, gur, goodbye, potter, kral, female potter, crudge, sweeper, vatul, vatij, washerman, dob, female, doib by. Okay, now is the test. How good I have been a teacher. So let's start with Seemaji. Seemaji, when you mara.
Acha. Good.
Very good.
Bukar kushish. Good. The guir.
Guir.
Good.
Actually,
Good. The guir. Nah. Good. The guir. Wait.
Gur. No problem. See, why I'm saying this, gur is plural of gur. That's why I'm saying that is a different word. So that's why I don't want to confuse you with that. Here, gurush plural, gur. But
Guir.
gur.
Oh, it's you. Oh, sorry.
Gur.
Good. Oh, sorry. Good.
Good. Okay, no problem. Doesn't matter. It's good.
Good.
Good for a good first attempt. No problem. Neilji.
Okay.
Let us say it's the second one also. Seemaji, when you mara said the same thing.
Acha. I got confused.
Tortoise.
Tortoise. Right
I know,
there.
but what letter is this number?
Crumb.
Crumb. Crumb. Oh, buh.
Not
Crumb.
crumb.
Uh-huh.
Crumb.
Crumb. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right.
Crumb. The crummin.
Crummin. Yeah. Crummin. Okay. Good. Neilji.
Dog. Hoon. Hooing.
Very good.
Lion. Mean.
Very good. Anna.
Dand. Ka.
Oh.
Gav. Correct. Next.
Buffalo. Munch. Munch.
Mush.
Munch.
Okay. Correct. Chalo, ठीक है. Tushar. Yeah. Okay. You can have next one also. Sorry, Anna. You can have next one also.
Rat.
Cat.
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 You know, cat.
Cat. Roar. Brr.
Very good. Very good. Tushar, next.
Rat, gagur, and gagar.
Very good.
Crow,
Excellent.
calf, and
Again?
curving.
Curving.
Calf and curving.
Curving. Curving. Carving. Curving. Curving. See, अगर तुम तुषार जी अगर ना आता ऐसे क आगे योद खली तेल यीजन तो वनान छु तेल चुस बराबर सो carving. अच्छा ना पेटा अंदर अर्ध चंद्र ते curving छु सो merge wall. Curving.
Curving.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Next.
Sheep, cut, gub.
Very good. Shruti ji. Mute. You are on.
Pigeon. Kotur. The kotar.
Kotar. Very good. Next.
Sparrow. Contour. Sir.
Okay. Next.
Baker. Kandur. Kandrin.
Kandrain. Kandrain.
Kandrin.
Kandrain. मतलब फ्लुएंटली वाका वो ना कांदरेन मगर वैसे ही कांदरेन ओके ठीक है
Kandrin.
कांदरेन ओके रेन वसुधा जी
Moser, Mosery.
मोजरेन मोजरेन मोजरेन
Moseray.
मजूर मोजरेन
Moseray.
ओके
Farmer.
फार्मर
Gross. Grease by.
ग्रूस ग्रीस बाय
Grease by.
मिल्कमैन वेन्यू
Goody by.
वेरी गुड चलो कमिंग बैक टू तुषार
Potter, kral, crudge.
Crudge.
Kral,
Crudge. Again, वापस. Kral,
Kral,
crudge.
Sweeper, vatul, vatuj.
Very good. Next.
Washerman, dob, by.
Goodbye. Very good. Excellent. Let's go further. The next lesson. So इसमें homework ये है. Remember all the above. We'll ask in the next session. Okay. So no homework. Only you have to do practice. Okay. Now we'll come to singular plural. Horse, gur. Plural, gur. Tortoise, krum. Plural, tishu krumi. Krum. Same. Dog, hoon. Plural, hoon. Lion, su. Plural, tishu su. Same su. Ox, dan. Plural, also dan. Buffalo, moosh. Moshe. Cat, broer. Bird. Rat, gagur. Gagar. Crow, cow. Same. Sheep, cut. Pigeon, kotur. Sparrow, contour. Baker, kandur. Kandar. Kuli, mozur. Same. Farmer, grease. Milkman, gur. Potter, kral. Same, kral. Sweeper, Vatul, Vatal. Vatul, Vatal. Washerman, Dob, Doib. Doib, plural. Okay, let's go again. Shruti, when you want to.
Horse, gur, guri,
Gurin, Guir,
gur.
Guir. Ah, that's right. When you next,
Tortoise,
Treparyute.
okay. Tortoise, crum, crum. A dog, hoon, hoon.
Vasudhaji,
Sa, a lion. Sa,
Suh,
sa,
Sah would be agar na tale, yeah, I say, na, Ardhachandra. Suh,
sa,
very
sa.
good.
Ox, dand, dand.
Dandna. Dand would have been, if it was only A, it would not have been done with asterisks on the
Dand.
top. Yeah, Dan.
Dand,
Tochu paran, Devanagari asmans kine yasmans? English asmans.
English.
Gotcha. Dan, H na with a big asterisk on the top. Dan, okay.
Dand.
Buffalo,
Moonch, moonshi, moonshi,
Mooshe. Correct.
moonshi,
Mooshe.
moonsh.
Mooshe. Very good.
Munch,
Next,
munch.
Tushar.
Cat, Bror, Brar.
Okay.
Rat, Gagur, Gagar.
Hmm.
Sheep, cut. No, sorry. Crow, cow.
Plural.
Cow.
Okay, very good. Seema ji.
What are we on? Sheep?
Yeah,
Sheep,
sheep.
hut, the cut.
Okay.
Pigeon, kotur, feminine, kotar.
Very good.
Sparrow, kuntur, bekuntar.
Very good. Excellent. Neil ji.
Baker. Kandar, Kandar.
Okay.
Coolie. Mozur, Mozur.
Okay.
What is a coolie?
Coolie is somebody who lifts your luggage at the railway station or somebody, na? Or any, not only railway station, anywhere for that matter. Coolie is that. You don't find them in your part of the country. You have to lift everything yourself. So. Okay. Okay. And next.
Me, farmer. Bruce, Grease.
Okay. Anna.
Milkman, good, good,
Coolie.
good,
Good.
good.
Okay. Next. Potter.
Butter, crawl, crawl, crawl.
Very good. Sweeper.
Sweeper, wattle, wattle, wattle.
Vatal. Vatul. That's right. Perfect. Next. Washerman.
Washerman, dub, doi.
Dol. Very good. Excellent. So homework is remember all the above and we'll ask in the next session. Very good. Let's get into the next part. Miscellaneous vocabulary. Aluminium, metals. Aluminium, Miss, only Miss or Miss Khorasan. Miss Khorasan is the actual name. Generally, even Miss is used as a short form of this. Aluminium is Miss or Miss Khorasan. Brass is Sartal. Bronze is Loy. Copper is Tram. Gold is Son. Iron is Shester. Shastar. Steel is polad. Polad. Silver is rough. Tin is tin. This should be zinc actually. ZNIC should be there. There's a mistake there. It is jasud or just. Either word is okay. Okay. श्रुति जी फिर हमारा तो शुरू दो पढ़ते हैं.
Okay. Aluminium, Miss Khorasan.
Very good.
Brass, Sartal.
तुषार.
Bronze, loy. Copper, tram.
Very good. When you mana to Vasda ji cha eti ke nahi? She's gone off. I can't see that. Vasda ji, can you see that?
I think she's gone. I think she's gone.
Okay, maybe she's. No, her throat was very bad. She was making a lot of effort to speak. कोई बात. When you mana Seema ji.
Gold gov sun, iron gov Shestur.
Right. Neil ji.
Steel. Poland.
Polad.
Polad.
Okay.
Silver. Rough.
हाँ आप बोलिए.
Tin.
Zinc.
Jasud or just.
Yes. Okay. Princess escaped this question, is it? I want her to speak these last two again. Tin.
Okay. Tin, teen, zinc, jasud.
Yes, very good. Excellent. Homework is read and remember all the metals given MO. We'll ask you in the next question, next session. Okay. Making sentences. I am a teacher. Bushus akh wastad. Bushus akh wastad. If it is male. Female. B chas akh wastad. Buchus akh wastad. Buchas akh wastad. You are a doctor. Suchuk akh doctor. Doctor. Doctor nahi. It is doctor. Okay. Doctor. Suchak akh doctor or Suchak akh doctor by. Very rarely used, but generally that also is. It's like goodbye. You are a farmer. Suchuk ak grus. Suchak ak grease by. We heard this, we learned this today itself. Suchuk ak grus, male. Female. Suchak ak grease by. Okay? We learned this today. Grease by. He is a potter. She is a potter. Suchu ak kral. Swachhe ak kraj. Swachhe ak kraj. He is a singer. She is a singer. Suchu ak gavan vol. Swachh ak gavan vajain. Swachh ak gavan vajain. Female singer. Gavan vajain. He is a milkman. She is a milkwoman. Suchu ak gur. Swachh ak gur by. Okay. Homework is remember all the above and okay. We have how many sentences? चलो एक सब पढ़ेंगे उसके बाद देखते हैं. श्रुति जी वही हमारा तो शुरू.
I am a teacher. Buchus ak wastad. Buchas ak wastad.
Okay, Tushar.
You are a doctor. Suchuk ak doctor. Suchak ak doctor. Suchak ak doctor by.
Very good. सीमा जी नहीं आज सीमा जी से पहले आज ये तो आना बाद में ये करती है गोलमोल करती है we'll ask her first.
You're in form.
Hannah, you first.
Suchuk akres.
Hmm.
Suchuk akres by.
Very good. Neil ji.
He is a potter. Such akral. She is a potter. Soche akraj.
Correct. सीमा जी.
He is a singer. Sucha ak Gyavan Wol. She is a
Gyavan
singer.
Wol. Gyavan
Gyavan
Wol.
Wol.
Gyavan Wol. Okay.
Gyavan Wol. Soche ak Gyavan Vajain.
Wow, Jane, first class. Perfect. Perfect. There is one left. Shruti. हाँ बोलिए. Vanimara.
He is a milkman. Suchu ak gur. She is a milkwoman. Soche ak gur bai.
Very good. Homework, remember all the above, we'll ask you in the next session. Okay. Now, what you have to, we'll post this as usual. Important that you use in the daily work. हम बार-बार बोलते हैं. I think you have to practice. Bokta sit kot wa tutun kashur karun. Neil ji.
The dog.
We're doing well.
With
What-
the bok the kushir bok this.
Oh, Boka Chatik.
Bok
Bok-
the chuna.
Bokcha Asal.
Bok
Bok chaso ah
the chuna
chaso.
Angrezi the taran fikri.
No, no,
When
no.
you
But I say,
बोल सूचना when you तमिशना क्यों ही language तारण तमिशु कौशली तारण फिक्री.
Yeah.
इसलिए तमिश वालों Ahana liked Bokut or no? She didn't like.
she likes
Anna?
Bokut. You like
Bokut
him?
is okay, no? It's a typical, very special name. So check Kashir Pet Karan Tem Sitan Kat. She wanted to miss Wally you. Come here. But
Yeah, we say that to him.
yeah, have some food. Tresh drink water. So you have to keep telling him the same thing. So you should understand all this. You practice and he knows also Kashmiri. And that is fantastic because when you take him out, you will tell him Kashmiri and people will be flabbergasted. What is this happening? What language
Yeah.
he's talking and the dog is, actually doing that. Okay. And not dog. It's now Bokut. His name is Bokut. Bokut is doing like this. Okay. Great.
Whoa.
Okay, so that we should do conversation. Don't worry, वो तो हमने बोल दिया. I think you keep practicing. Anything on this subject before I close?
Just a quick question on Wostad. Is that the same as Ustad? Is that the same?
It has come from the same family. Yeah.
Hmm.
Ustad, Wastad. Okay. Anything else? Shall I close this? Okay. अब कोई चीज में वनन की next time छुताई तो उसमें आप homework जब तो तय करियो मारा कहाँ बदल कशर बात तैयार जिसन इस classes में च वनन सुगो वैसे तम बगैर थंडम तय कशर on YouTube कहाँ कशर बात है वो तय छुट Kashmir as it is. I have given you another portal. You can go there or Kashmir or mkraina.com. I have again told you कि Raina Servant should to panin portal. तो उसमें भी काफी साथ में वारिया कशिर बात क्यों मज करते कहाँ टी चूज इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी सोरी छु करुन अकी साथन अगर तन 5 पैरा छि या 6 पैरा छि 2 पैरा ति 3 पैरा केशन परवाय मगर ये कर जो तो तुषार नेक्स्ट टाइम यू विल स्टार्ट विद यू
हाँ जी कशर
बात कहाँ ति खानदर छि मे बासा वारियान छि खानदर श्रुति जी वन कम साम खानदर श्रुति तय खानदर बात करुन तैयार सीमा जी अश कशर हेचनावन नील जी तारुन फिक्री कशर खानदर क्यों चासन पनुन खानदर छु वुचमुत मगर हम छु वुचुन वैसे वुचुन बकाया खानदर की चास तम सा छु ना पान बिजी आसा इंसान
एश खानदरक song choose करन किन केत
के क्यों तो चुस बुजन छु दपान के क्यों तो I'm just giving the idea That's oxygen should I mkraina.com spectre Masterji in Varia Kashir video. So Hekutim you choose any one of them, whichever you like, even half of it, doesn't matter. Part of it doesn't matter. Magar next time, each one of you, Seema ji, Neil ji, Anna, all 3 of you separately. not that you'll piggyback on anybody else. No, individual. Same way Shruti, same way Tushar.
Estu su gyavun kin estu sirf vanun?
One, Gavun matlab, naturally you can sing. It is a,
That's
you
for
can
you.
sing it in a rhyme, you can read it in a rhyme, whatever it is, no problem. If you can, that is okay. That's good enough for me.
Bumara
after you-
setha tone deaf.
Kya chun parwa, itha pach banan. Meosne tagam paruni koshur. Bosu siri bola nahi hot. Meti hoch na. Itha pachin chu hechan. So keriu to shuru. Setha cheez. Tai suzno me patim later akso. Pato su newsletter te. Tato su koshur na. Pachin su masters in the course. So poru hota hai. You go through this. Don't worry. Right, wrong, don't worry. Because I have done it both in Roman as well as in Devanagari. Tachu matlab ke, I guess tam sit in practice. Nacho Masterji in this portal but varia she is not directly, but Tatma she set her come Roman because you are writing in Roman. Tatma she Devanagari varia. Atmas is Roman Sugar Jadushu Devanagari because you have that problem of learning Devanagari. That's why I'm suggesting you go through that whatever I've sent you. Then recite it, record it. तय उसमें मैं पचमिनट वोन तय कर जो त्रेनवे सरी कर जो तय सो ये जम पतिम राइम छ सो कर जो तय रिकॉर्ड तय सूज मैं म्यू ना आखते I didn't get even one.
Which is a current record.
Only one song.
Bus sozo ak tech message separately. We will do it.
I don't
It's
mind
gotta-
you three of you do as a chorus, doesn't matter. But each one of you individually also do it. I want to know whether I am effective teacher or it's my evaluation, not your evaluation. I want to see how good teacher I am. I am able to do it or I am not able to do it. What more I need to do? Teacher. Basically, I'm not a teacher. Basically, I'm a professional, a hardcore engineer. Okay. So I want to test myself in my teaching capability. Because Masterji and this must say Burda responsibility. I want to see I cannot fail, because Masterji is not able to be present, but he listens to everything.
Deutsche asıl vostak.
So tarna mein teli fikri yel to video suju. Main toy
Hello,
suju
teacher. Zurur.
I'm switching up basam buchu su jan teacher kya ji meon chun ka mana nahi to. Meon chun video
Kit पर छुवन
video
No, मिछुवन जरूर हम करेंगे तो कैसे कहता हाँ इस करव जरूर
हाँ
Okay.
या अगर तुम वहीं बुचो चलो मतलब ना थोड़ा मिश्रण सफेद दर स्मारक करो जरूर
स्मारक करव जरूर
yes वहीं कर नेक्स्ट टाइम था वापस डाई करे तो तम साथ क्यों तो वहीं okay good anything else shall we stop this
Es should die will Kuldip ji te yat zoom as pet back.
अच्छा नहीं वो तो है ही वो तो साइड में है because actually I am having enough दोस्त ना दो disconnect so I kept my mobile also on I thought it gets me मुश्किल
No jaan.
It's like this is dual color.
मैं मारा कोर वो ये like panun nine sit cut
why करते हो record आजकल ये तो आजकल recording ती गसान मतलब if it is Android you can do it on iPhone also but you need a special app Android में तो easily हो जाता वो record that conversation and post it to near and dear ones
yes
in this group they are all near and dear ones send it let everybody get excited motivated by that
तेमन छे युता आदत गोमत में सिर्फ हिंदी पोइट कत करनो कि यम लेट में कोर यपोर
कोशर सोच करम पोइम तो
कोशर मैं वन की मारा के like नमस्कार तो ये तेम छे वनन और पेट हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक पत में वन की तो क्या छुने में सिर्फ कोशर पोइट कर या तो कोशर तो कोर जवाब हिंदी पोइट पत कोर as वो मिनट कत only in so
मैं तुषार से काफी कोशर बोला ये मेरे पास एक छान लेखन या पढ़नी होता But it is important ki to can you practice and make your own video. Anything doesn't matter. Whatever of your choice. Send it to me. I want to see how it is. Acha, so link I have sent you that link. You are able to see that. ये जो online जो हम classes करते हैं ना, there are a lot of other videos. You can look at them also. On that same place where you find this video recording yet presence you should asan. So it's much wide at badal you wanna go much to Ahana, you just special. I want one special from you, the best one. Whatever you sing, it will be the best. Whatever way you sing, okay? Chalo, God bless you. Let's call it a day today, okay?
Okay.
Namaskar.
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 Namaskar.